You talk too much. Look around you. Everyone is broadcasting their lives. Everyone is shouting for attention. They tell the world their plans, their dreams, and their weaknesses. And because they are open books, they are empty. They have no power. The most dangerous person in the room is not the loudest one. It is the one who sits in silence, the one nobody knows anything about. What if I told you that by disappearing, you become stronger? It is called ghost mode, and it is the only way to rebuild yourself.
Ancient strategists knew a simple truth: conceal your intentions. When you announce your goals, your brain releases dopamine. You feel good, as if you already achieved them. This makes you lazy. Even worse, you give people ammunition to sabotage you. If you tell them you are building a business, they will doubt you. If you tell them you are changing your life, they will laugh. Stop feeding them information. Starve them of your presence.
How do you enter ghost mode? First, the withdrawal. You don't need to move to a cave. You just need to become unavailable. Stop responding to texts instantly. Stop posting your life on social media. Stop explaining yourself. Let people wonder where you are. Let rumors spread. When you are absent, your value increases, just like gold. The more scarce you are, the more people respect you. Use this silence not to sleep, but to sharpen your blade.
Imagine 6 months of silence. While they were partying, you were training. While they were gossiping, you were building. Then you re-emerge. You walk back into the room, but you are not the same person. You look different. You speak differently. You carry an aura of mystery and power. They will ask, "What happened to you?" You won't answer. You will just smile, because results make more noise than words ever could.
Disappear today so you can return as a king tomorrow. Embrace the silence. Trust the shadows. If you are ready to go ghost mode, subscribe to the channel. We are watching.